Hello everyone, this is Juan Sarmiento and today is Friday, March the 31st. Things are looking up a little better. Let's take a look at the chart of the SPY and we can perhaps look at our channel. Okay. Well, the channel here is holding. The downtrend seems to be about to be broken. Look at that. The market came below the Ichimoku cloud and now it seems to be very close to this downtrend line, which is a long-term downtrend line. Let me just show it to you. From here, this top connecting to this recent high and also matching the bottom here, we're about to cross it, which would be very bullish. The stochastics and the TTM squeeze, this is a weekly chart. Let's change it to the daily chart because to evaluate those, yeah, look at that. That's a very strong stochastics. It seems like it's going to cross that line and then go to a new high here. I think that's pretty doable if it does cross this downtrend line. Okay, and then it would be either a new trend line or perhaps if it breaks above the previous high, then it will be more bullish. Okay, and that will be of course very good for our trade. Remember, we have an average trade, so average trading price. So let's go to the Analyze tab, click on the SPY here. We can close the options here, and here is 95 shares. What is our average price? 419. What are we trading at? 407. So it seems like we are very close, and if it does break above the trend channel, it would certainly go test the high here, which is at 417, and then if it does that, it goes above the 420, then we will be in the positive for the first time in a long time. But that's all curiosity, because this is a long-term investment strategy. We don't really worry about the day-to-day movements in the market. That's just, you know, for me to give you something to think about, really, nothing much else. To give you an indication of what the Ichimoku cloud works like, and two oscillators to help you along the way. The implied volatility, that's for option trader. We're not going to pay any attention to that. So there you go. Sounds really good. And we have $143. So we're going to add to our account another $500. Add cash. And of course, this is a paper trading account, as I always tell you. And so we are going to adjust by increasing 500 fake dollars. This is just so that we keep track of where we are and say, okay. And now you see that I have $643, of which I'm going to use to buy one more share at $407. So go to the trade tab, all products, and that should go to the SPY, provided that you have this little yellow icon which matches whoever you have here, and then just click on the ask, and there you are. 100 shares, not what we want. We just buy one share. Okay, and the SPY, of course, is the most significant companies of the US, 500 companies in the US. So the principle is we have a group, we are investing on the most reliable or best performing companies in the US, you know, the biggest capital companies, you know, by market cap, essentially market capitalization. Okay, so we're going to lock in and confirm and send, and just it should show follow momentarily, fill momentarily. If it doesn't in a few moments, go to the activity and positions and check what is the price Well, it was above the current price, and it did fill at $407.12. And when you go to the Analyze tab, that should have reduced our price by just a few cents. Okay, now we have 96 shares. We're getting really, really close to 100 shares. Okay, not that you care, but after you reach 100 shares, you can sell one call against it. Okay, so let's say if I come over here, look for a 30-day option. Something like 28, or let's say May 5th, that's 35 shares. You can look for any call that has the most extrinsic value, and then just click on the bid, and then you're selling a call. This is what it will look like. Once that's happened, then we can start discussing this. Okay, once we reach the 100 shares, you can sell one call against it. Not that right now we can't, because there are 96 shares of stock. We need 100 shares for one call, which corresponds to 100 shares. And then you get this amount into your account, regardless of where the stock is up or down. But that's another system that I'm not going to discuss here. Okay? But so you know that options can be traded in this way. All right, so that's all for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and see you next time. Bye-bye.